Hello guys, in this video we will see the objects and classes in Java. Two terms are there, one is object, other is class. So class is used to implement the abstraction in programming domain. So if I consider any entity, suppose if I consider employee, then for that employee there will be different attributes like ID, name, salary. So these attributes I will write inside the class. So class is basically used to implement real world entity into programming domain. Object is an instance of class. So it is as good as variable. Like we have primitive variables, for a class there is a variable which is called as object. Class is a user defined data type, and for that user defined data type I have some variable which is called as object. So here one example is given. One class is implemented which is dog class. Now for this dog class attributes are age and color. These attributes are set in the setDog method. In main method I am creating two objects of dog class. D1 and D2 are the references. When I say dog D1, it is a reference. And when I say equals to new dog, this will create the object. So D1, D2 are references which will lie onto the stack. Now there are four logical parts of memory: stack, heap, data segment and code segment. So these D1, D2 references will be onto the stack, and the objects which are created will lie onto the heap. Print dog is a method which will print the details of that particular object. So let me implement this demo in Eclipse. This program shows you how to write a class and how to create an object. So it is regarding classes and objects. I have written one class which is dog class. Dog class has attributes age and color. It has methods like barking, sleeping. SetDog method is there which is setting the attributes. PrintDog method is printing the details of the dog. So in main method I am creating two objects D1, D2. Suppose I set the attributes using setDog method. I set a value to 10 and c value to something which is say dog itself. If I print, it will give me the output where the dog age is 10 and color is dog. Color is red or say black. So this is how we write a class and we create the object of that class.